Hey there tech enthusiasts, today we're diving into the face-off between two titans of the action camera world, the Insta360 GO 3 and the GoPro Hero 11. So let's see which one of these is going to be our next partner in crime. First up, let's get to know our contenders. The Insta360 GO 3, a compact powerhouse, is known for its portability and unique features. On the other hand, we have the GoPro Hero 11, a camera that's been a reliable companion for thrill seekers worldwide, boasting top-tier video quality and high resolution. And yes, we'll be talking price too, because let's face it, we all want the best bang for our buck. Now, let's talk video quality. The Insta360 GO 3 shoots at 2.7K in 30 frames, while the GoPro Hero 11 can go all the way up to 5.3K. Impressive, right? The numbers are just until we see them in action, so let's roll some footage. As you can see, both cameras delivering stunning results, but the Hero 11 has a slight edge in dynamic range. However, if you're more of a bright and sunny adventurer, you'll find little to complain about with either camera. Before we go any further, if you're enjoying this video, then why don't you show us some love by pressing the like button. Moving on to photos, because who doesn't love a good action shot? The GoPro's photos have a certain mystique, perfect for those Instagram worthy moments. The Insta360 on the other hand, gives you that natural in the moment look, so whether you're a filter fanatic or a no filter purist, there's a camera for you. Now let's talk about the special features that make these cameras stand out. Time warp on the GoPro, time shift on the Insta360. Fancy names for a feature that's all about capturing the world in a unique way. It's like having a time machine in your pocket, allowing you to create stunning fast forward style videos. And let's not forget about horizon lock, a feature that keeps your frame steady no matter how crazy your movements get. It's like having a personal cameraman who's had one too many energy drinks. Now let's talk about stabilization. After all, what's an action camera without stable footage? The Hero 11 offers 3 modes of stabilization, with boost mode being the top dog. The Insta360, however, doesn't shy away from the competition, delivering impressively stable footage that's sure to make your videos look professional. Let's talk about something that often gets overlooked, but can make or break your video: audio quality. The Insta360 GO 3 delivers crisp audio, capturing every sound of your adventure. The GoPro Hero 11, on the other hand, offers a slightly muffled but robust audio performance, perfect for those windy outdoor conditions. So whether you're vlogging or just capturing the sounds of your journey, both cameras have got you covered. Now let's switch gears and talk about design and usability. The Insta360 GO 3 is like the Swiss Army knife of action cameras. It's small, portable, and comes with a nest that doubles as a display. Plus, it has a flip screen and a hat mount. Talk about being ready for anything. The GoPro Hero 11, while not as compact, offers a user-friendly experience with a front and back display, making it easy to frame your shots. But what about when the sun goes down? Low light performance is crucial for those late night adventures or indoor shoots. The GoPro Hero 11 shines in artificial lighting, capturing detailed footage indoors. But when it's pitch black, the Insta360 GO 3 takes the lead, delivering clearer footage with less noise. So whether you're a night owl or a day adventurer, there's a camera for your needs. Now let's talk about battery life. In 2023, most quality action cams will last through your adventures, and these two are no exception. But if we're splitting hairs, the GO 3 does have a slight edge, offering a bit more juice than its competitor. So where does that leave us? Both the Insta360 GO 3 and the GoPro Hero 11 are top tier action cams, each with their own strengths. If you are after professional grade video quality and high resolution, the GoPro Hero 11 might be your camera of choice. But if you're drawn to unique features, compact design, and a slightly longer battery life, the Insta360 GO 3 could be your new best friend. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those cameras rolling.